Imagine waking tomorrow with your credit score 15 points higher. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But Experian Boost claims it can do exactly that for free. We are about to break down how this actually works, how much your score could really jump, and reveal the jaw-dropping reason why some lenders want you to keep it off your file. Stick around because once you hear the whole truth, you will know if Boost is your credit hero or tickling time bomb. This is Funikra, where I uncover the money truths they don't teach you in school. And today I'm answering the question, how does Experian Boost works and why this free tool is the most controversial credit hacks of the decade. And trust me, once you hear the shocking reason why some lenders secretly hate it, you'll know exactly whether it's your credit savior or tickling time bomb. Disclaimer. Quick note before we start, I'm an advisor. I'm just learning and sharing what I discovered on my journey to understand money. So take this as information, not advice. The credit score problem. FICO score breakdown. Payment history is 35% of your score. Trying to build credit with a thin file is rough. Payment history drives over a third of your FICO score. If you have one or two accounts, almost none of your on-time bill payments are counted. Experian Boost mission is to bulk up that 35% slice by converting your on-time utility streaming payments to new trade line on your Experian credit report. The result, an instant lift that crucial to your payment history portion of your score. What is Experian Boost? Experian Boost is a free credit building tool from Experian. It lets you instantly add your everyday bill payments to your Experian credit report so they count towards your score. Here how it works. You link your bank account and Boost scans your past 24 months of transaction for eligible payments, utility, phone, cable, streaming, subscriptions, etc. If you paid those on time, Boost adds each as a trade line on your Experian report. In short, all those bills you already pay become proof of your reliability. A couple of important caveats upfront. Experian Boost only affects your Experian credit report and the newer FICO scoring model. It does not update TransUnion or Equifax. Also, many lenders, especially mortgages, use older FICO versions or different bureaus, so they won't see these extras. Experian warns, not all lenders use credit information impacted by Experian Boost. We'll talk about that in a moment, how to set up Experian Boost step by step. Number 1, sign up with Experian. Create a free account on Experian's website or app. Second, verify your identity. Answer security questions. Third, go to Experian Boost. Find it on your dashboard. Fourth, link your bank account. This is a big step. Experian scans your transaction. If this feels invasive, stop. Boost won't work without it. Fifth, review and add bills. Boost shows your phone bill, electricity, cable, Netflix, etc. Sixth step, get your instant boost. Experian updates your score instantly. Many users see a 10 to 15 points jump. Once enabled, Experian identifies on-time payment and creates trade line on your report. You can discover Boost anytime, removing the extra points. Payment counts and what don't. Payment that counts. First, phone and internet, utilities like gas, electricity, water, streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, some insurance payments. Each service can add up to 24 months of on-time payments. Payments that don't count. First, credit cards. Second, loans or mortgages. Third, irregular expenses. Fourth, Amazon groceries. Fifth, rent, unless using Rent Boost. Boost only reports positive payments, never late ones. It can rise your score or keep it unchanged, but it cannot lower it. Real score impact. How big is the boost? Average boost, 13 points. Thin file users, 20 to 30 points or more. Established credit, 1 to 5 points. If you are 760 plus credit score, boost likely won't matter. If you are in high 500s or 600s, boost can make a meaningful difference. If you turn boost off, those points disappear. Treat boost as a temporary push, not a permanent fix. The dark side, downsides and risks. Only update Experian. Equifax and TransUnion don't get boosted. Some lenders, especially mortgage lenders, ignore boost and may even require removing it. Privacy trade-off. You must share full bank access with Finicity. Temporary gain. Remove boost and lose points. Hidden catches. Score drops blamed on boost are always caused by other factors like max cards. Think of boost as a double-edged sword. Helpful for some, useless for others. Who actually uses boosted scores? Only lenders that pull Experian, use modern FICO 8 or 9 will use your boosted score. Most mortgage lenders do not use these models. Some auto credit card lenders do it. Boost like extra credit points visible only to certain lenders. Should you try Experian Boost? Fair, poor credit or thin file? Then yes, worth trying. Second, excellent credit and probably unnecessary. Applying for a home loan soon and be cautious. Lenders may ignore Boost. Privacy cautious, then skip it. Unsure, then try it. You can turn it off anytime. Boost works best as a short-term strategy. Advanced credit building tips. First, pay on time, keep utilization low, build some trade lines like secured card, credit builder loans, try rent boost if you pay rent, use other services like Ultra FICO or eCredit, monitor credit reports monthly, build credit across all three bureaus. Boost is one tool, not the whole toolbox. Real user cases studies. Success stories. 10 to 15 points jump instantly. Small wins. 3 to 5 points for users with strong credit. Misunderstandings. Score drop blamed on Boost are always unrelated. Max cards, new debt, they are always the enemy. Mortgage caution. Some users had to remove Boost to apply for mortgages. Use Boost wisely and monitor your results. So this is Experian Boost, your credit saver or ticking time bomb. It can be either, depending on you. If you have fair credit and no mortgage plans soon, Boost might be perfect. If privacy or lender's restriction matter more to you, skip it. Use Boost as a tool, not a crutch. Pay on time, build smart credit habits. Do that consistently and your score will rise with or without Boost. If this video helped clarify how Experian Boost works, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us spread these money truths. Got your Experian Boost story or a question? Drop it in comments. I had love to hear how it goes for you. And don't forget to subscribe to Nictra for more no-nonsense financial insights, the things they don't teach you in school. And thanks for watching. Here's to building the best credit you deserve.